Lesson 13, Wastewater Treatment. Tick the correct options. Wastewater generated from houses is commonly called sewage. Which of the following is an organic contentment? Faces. Stagnant water is the result of both A and B. Which of these is not a waterborne disease? Polio. Sewage treatment processes involve all of these. Which chamber of a sewage treatment plant is capable of removing organic matter from sewage? Sedimentation tank. Which of the following is a disinfectant? Chlorine. An example of on-site sewage treatment plant is all of these. Fill in the blanks. Impurities dissolved and suspended in sewage are called contaminants. Oil and grease harden after some time if thrown into drain. We should not throw plastic bags in drains as they may choke them. Aerobic bacteria develop in wastewater in aeration tank. Sludge is used to produce biogas. A vermicompost toilet is an on-site sewage disposal system. State whether the following statements are true or false. Wastewater released from industries is called industrial wastewater. True. Impurities are not present in sewage. False. The sewage system is an underground network of interconnected pipes. True. Eucalyptus trees should be planted along sewage ponds. True. Sludge is the solid that floats in the sedimentation tank. True. The septic tank is a type of on-site sewage disposal system. True. Biogas is obtained from vermicompost toilets. False. Answer each in a few words only. What name is given to impurities present in wastewater? Contaminants. Name two organisms that breed in stagnant water. Flies, mosquitoes. What are the sewers made up of? Either cast iron or PVC. What is the last step in the wastewater treatment plant? Final settling tank. Name an on-site sewage disposal system. Septic tank. Give reasons. A proper disposal system of wastewater is necessary. A proper disposal system of wastewater is necessary because it prevents the spread of diseases, protects the environment, and keeps water sources clean. Better housekeeping practices minimize drains, choking, and water stagnation. Better housekeeping practices minimize drains, choking, and water stagnation because they keep drains and surroundings clean, preventing blockage and mosquitoes breeding. Septic tank is an essential part of alternative way of sewage disposal. Septic tank is essential part of alternative way of sewage disposal because it safely treats and disposes of sewage in areas without sewer system, preventing water pollution and health hazards. We should not dispose of tea leaves in kitchen sink. We should not dispose of tea leaves in the kitchen sink because they can block the drain and cause clogging. Answer each in 5 to 6 sentences. What is stagnant? Why is stagnant water harmful? Stagnant water is the ideal place for diseases spreading flies, mosquitoes, bacteria, and viruses to breed. Moreover, many gases like carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide are also produced in stagnant water that not only pollute the air all over the area but also give out a foul smell. यहाँ पर फ्लाइज का स्पेलिंग थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है, FLIEES होगा. What is a sewage system? Network of pipes to take away sewage for treatment is called sewage system. It mainly deals with domestic wastewater from toilets, bathrooms, kitchens, industrial wastewater, rainwater, runoff. How are big solid impurities removed from wastewater? Bigger solid impurities like plastic bags, cans, sticks, ropes, etc. are removed first of all by passing the wastewater through bar screens. Remaining solid impurities are made to pass through the grinder. The grinder crushes the solid impurities to a very fine size. This prevents blocking up the plant. The wastewater is now allowed to enter a grit chamber. Here, speed of water is reduced so that sand, sleet, and gravel settle down. List the contaminants present in sewage. The following contaminants present in sewage. ये आपको मैंने क्लास में भी करवाया था, ये बुक से ही मैंने इसका आंसर लिखा है. तो आप इसे नोट कर लेंगे। ऑर्गेनिक पार्टिकल्स है, फिर इनऑर्गेनिक पार्टिकल्स, सॉल्युबल, सॉल्युबल ऑर्गेनिक मैटर और सॉल्युबल इनऑर्गेनिक पार्टिकल्स, इनसॉल्युबल मटेरियल्स, पैथोजेनिक, नॉन पैथोजेनिक, मैनी गैसेस और स्मॉल एनिमल्स। ड्रॉ द डायग्राम ऑफ सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट। ये भी आपको मैंने 2 दिन पहले ही प्रैक्टिस करवाया था, आपको फिर से इसको ड्रॉ कर लेना है।